to my channel. As you know, is your boy FX. Today I want to put a full breakdown of NASDAQ, a case study of what we have to do and follow the market. So if you haven't watched the previous video, please go back and watch this video. This one here, NAS 1530, what you have to know. So you have to watch this video, then you understand properly what I want to show you today. And by the way, I put this video, I'll put it in the pinned comment so that you can be able to see it before you watch this one. So the first thing that you need to understand, NASDAQ was been just buying and breaking structure to the upside. So all the higher high was been like taking off. Then check here, market print a higher low. This is a higher low, higher high, then market continue. So market get on this area here, they make a stop, what you call a stop. They make a stop from that area, that is the higher high. Then market start coming down. When they are coming down, they are targeting all those level of liquidity. They are targeting all those higher low, higher low. Those are the one that they are targeting. So when they start coming down after taking out all this level of liquidity. Now they start pushing to the upside. So the only thing that you need to understand, when they break this structure here, you see they break this structure down. Now they push again back to where there was a base that was there. This is the base that was there, a significant level. Then they start dropping. They come and break this area. So now what they are doing right now, they start pushing to the upside. When they are pushing to the upside, what is our main focus? Our main focus is to see how market going to react to this level here. That is what we need to see. Check what happened. NASDAQ get on this area. You see, get on this level here, react to this rejection that was here, the one that we call the SR flip. Then market gets on that area, react to the level, and then start coming down again. So as I predicted before, I said NASDAQ has to come from this area, then we're gonna buy. Yet we come here and we buy. Then this area also, there is analysis that I sent about this stuff. Then if you check, you see in my analysis videos, you see all of them there. They are here. I put them. So where I want us to focus more, I want us to focus more on this side, where there is this drop. So where is market going, and how did the market going? How far market is going, and where do we expect? So let me zoom for this one on H1 to show you guys on H1. So if you check properly on H1, when NASDAQ start buying, when NASDAQ starts selling, you see it creates a level of liquidity. So for people that they are using head and shoulder, they'll tell you this is the left and this is the right and this is the head. Then this is the neckline. So it's okay. Then for us, we are using this other concept. What you understand, there is a liquidity that was being building this side. Markets pull to the upside because of this block, the one that is there. Then markets break this area. So when market break the area, it return to test this zone again. Let me zoom again more so you can see. It return to come and test this area here. You see, test the area, then we drop. So when market drop, check, market creates this level of liquidity, then push to the upside to come and confirm this area here. When they are coming down, where is their target? The target is to take out this low. Now, check before they take out the low, they print this DP, the decision point, the one that is there. This is the block, they print there. They print a new liquidity area, the one that take out this low here. We create another lower low. So they push. If we check properly, the structure is already changed. We are going to the downside because on H4, market failed to print a higher high. You see, market failed to print a higher high to take out this high. Now they print what we call a lower high. Sorry guys, computer, I don't know what is happening. It's stuck. Okay, it's working now. So they print what you call they print what we call a lower low from this, a lower high from this level. Then market starts going down, going down. This is what I was explaining to you guys. So now what we focus, our main focus now become on the sell side. So every time when market pull to the upside, what you need to do is try to find out where is that level of liquidity, where is that significant level, so that we can continue taking sell position. Not until we see the change of structure. This is when we're gonna start looking more for buy. But even if market is going to the downside, that doesn't stop you from taking advantage of all this pulling back to the upside. So as you can check from here, guys, I don't know what is happening. The computer is trying to for me not to share this information. So I'm just wondering. So like if you can check, they come, they test this area, they drop, they break this structure, they print a new low. Now market push to where we have this decision point. Then from the decision point, as you can check, I explained already in the previous video, they start accumulating from this area. They start consolidating, in simple term, consolidating. Then they push again to the upside with what we call a compression. Let me go to M15. Let me go to M15. So if you can check, they push to the upside with a compression inside the same consolidation, the one that we have there. So from this area, what happened is we had the block, the one that is on top there. That is the block is on top there. So they compress to a key level where we have our supplier zone. They compress to the supplier zone. Do you see the supplier is there? They compress to that area. Now check, after they get to that zone, now they push more to the downside. Downside, why? Because they break the structure. They push to the downside. Now they pull again. After they break this level, if you check the video, you see this was a 330 analysis that I made. It was a live analysis. They push more to the downside. When they push, they print this level. Now they start going to the upside again. So when they're going to the upside, do you see this block, the one that they left here? There's a block that they left here. They push more to that area. See, they come and mitigate this block here. When they mitigate this block, market drop again. But before market drop, check here what happened. The I then demand level. They come and test this I then demand, they push again to the upside. So market failed to break this level. They drop again to where? To this last down candlestick before this up move. They come, mitigate this block again, they push again to the upside. Where they are pushing is where? You see, we've got another block, the one that is here. Market push to that block, test the block there, you see, test the block, then they start going again to the downside. If we can check from here, we can say this level has been taken out. They pull again to the upside. Upside to where? If you check where they start selling again, is on the line with this block. They return for the second time this block. Now check what happened. The reaction of that block after they test the block. Do you see how market drop crazy? Drop so crazy, you know. So I'll show you why market start buying again from this area. I'll go to H4 so that I can show you, because I see the computer is giving me stress here. Then as you can check from this area where they buy again. After this drop, they return again inside here. You see, we've got another hidden base, the one that is there. Then they start dropping. They drop, get to the block, because we have this block that was been used to take out all this level of liquidity, the one that is on top here. They fail to break this block. They push again to the upside to where we've got again another hidden base, the one that is here. Now they come down. When they are coming down, where is their target? The target is to take out this low. Check what happened when they break the structure, this low. Now they start buying again. So when they are buying, what I found out yesterday was they created this level here. There is a base, the one that is here. Let me show you on M30 so you can see properly. They create this block, the one that run this liquidity. Now, what they do, they return again back to the same block. You see, return to the same block. When they touch this block that was yesterday, now market drop again. So crazy. You see, the drop so crazy and come to take out this low. When they take out this low, what is the target again? The target is for them to push again to the upside, to go and find where is any strong level, where there is any block that was being used to run liquidity. So this is why they are trying to buy from this area to come and test this area, then test again the block that is there. So let me go back to H4 and show you why markets start buying again from here. If you check properly why market is buying from here, is because we have the hidden base. But at the same time, where there is that hidden base, there is also inefficiency, the one that is there, the wick of the top candlestick and the wick of this one. So market return there and they start buying. Now, where is our main focus? Like as today, where is our main focus? Since I've been saying about this, guys, I don't know what is happening with this computer. It's stacking. So if we can check from here, we've got this strong base, the one that is here, this base here, the one that was being used to run liquidity. Then at the same time, we have what you call RS flip, where resistance becomes support, then market push to the upside. Now they're coming to break this area. Then we've got this base, the one that is here. At the same time, we've got the last down candlestick before all this up move. So we want to see how market going to react to this level and this level. So if market fail to buy from this level, just put in mind that they'll come and break this structure. They'll break this one. This is the daily. This is the daily structure. Let me show you on daily. So this is daily. You see, we've got the low that is there. This is the higher high. Then market come and create the lower low from this level because we break structure here. Then market is pushing to the upside, create a lower high. Then where is the target? If market can come down and take out this level of liquidity, yet here we confirm that okay, Nasdaq is gonna go to the downside, but fundamental also is another story. We need to wait for fundamental also. Maybe it's going to change everything that is going to happen in the market. So sharp guys, for this video, the video is just stacking, but at the end of the day, I just finished it. So please watch this video and do watch the other one, the previous one, then so that you can be able to understand all the concept.